It's 2025, and 1440p gaming has officially dethroned 1080p as the go-to resolution for PC gamers worldwide. Why? Because gamers like you are craving sharper visuals, buttery smooth frame rates, and GPUs that deliver without breaking the bank. Today we're diving deep into the best graphics cards for 1440p gaming in 2025. Cards that don't just meet expectations, but redefine what's possible. Welcome to the golden age of 1440p gaming, where stunning detail meets silky performance. But here's the catch. Picking the perfect GPU in 2025 can feel like navigating a tech jungle. With new architectures, upscaling tech like DLSS and FSR, and a dizzying array of price points, how do you know which card is right for you? In this video, we're breaking down the top GPUs for 1440p gaming, from high-end beasts to budget-friendly, champs that punch way above their weight. Whether you're upgrading your rig, building a new one, or just dreaming of maxed-out settings in your favorite games, we've got you covered with real-world insights and performance data. Let's be real. Choosing a GPU in 2025 is no walk in the park. The market is flooded with options, and every card seems to promise the moon. Ray tracing, AI upscaling, massive VRAM, you name it. But here's where it gets tricky. Not every GPU is built for 1440p. Some cards struggle with modern AAA titles, others overheat under pressure, and a few are just overpriced hype machines. You need a GPU that delivers consistent 1440p performance, think 100 plus FPS, in demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077 or Starfield, with headroom for ray tracing and future titles. And let's not forget about value. Nobody wants to drop $1,000 on a card that's obsolete in 2 years. That's why we've done the heavy lifting, testing, benchmarking, and comparing the latest GPUs to bring you the ones that actually shine at 1440p. Meet the Nvidia GeForce RTX 5070 series, the undisputed king of high-end gaming in 2025. Our top pick, the MSI Nvidia GeForce RTX 5070 Ti 16G Gaming Trio OC+. This powerhouse unleashes 16GB of GDDR7 VRAM, 8960 CUDA cores, and the game-changing DLSS 4 multi-frame generation. Get ready for mind-blowing ray tracing that transforms your games into cinematic masterpieces. In our testing, the performance was nothing short of extraordinary. Cyberpunk 2077 on Ultra with ray tracing fell smooth 120 to 140 FPS at 1440p. Starfield maxed out a flawless 130 FPS. Call of Duty, Black Ops 6 multiplayer, a blistering 150 FPS, and its Strive Froze R4 cooling system keeps things whisper quiet, even under intense workloads, all while staying under 250 watts. Perfect for any build. On a budget but still chasing elite performance, the Asus TUF RTX 5070 12GB GDDR7 OC is a fantastic choice, delivering solid 1440p and 4K gaming, though it has a bit less VRAM. It's your perfect entry into high-end gaming without breaking the bank. Get ready to level up your gaming experience. These GPUs are built to power your dreams of elite 1440p and 4K glory. Next up, meet the AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT, a true 1440p powerhouse engineered for elite performance, combining sleek aesthetics with cutting-edge specs. 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory, 64 compute units, and RDNA4 architecture with advanced FSR4 AI upscaling. In Star Wars, Outlaws on ultra settings, it cruises at 110 to 130 FPS at 1440p. In Cyberpunk 2077, with ray tracing enabled, expect a smooth 100 to 120 FPS. Call of Duty, Black Ops 6, you're looking at 140 FPS on max settings, no sweat. Thermals are on point too. Thanks to a triple fan cooler, it runs whisper quiet at 56° EC, with fan speeds averaging just 1500 RPM. And with a boost clock up to 2970 MHz and PCIe 5.0 support, it's more than ready for next-gen titles. The icy white steel legend design doesn't just perform, it turns heads in any build. While pricing varies due to limited availability, This GPU is a strong contender for gamers, demanding high-end visuals, fluid performance, and future-ready features. Let's talk value. Enter the Intel Arc A770 Limited Edition 16GB, the budget-friendly GPU shaking up 1440p gaming. Backed by 16GB of GDDR6 VRAM, 4096 cores, and XeSS AI upscaling on Intel's Xe-HPG architecture, it's a capable choice for gamers looking to maximize performance per dollar. At 1440p, it holds its own. Elden Ring runs between 70 to 90 FPS, Apex Legends cruises at 80 to 100 FPS, and Resident Evil 4 Remake delivers a smooth 60 to 80 FPS with optimized settings. At 2100 MHz clock speed, 225-watt TDP, and support for DisplayPort 2.0, make it ready for high-res displays, even 8K one-key tip, enable resizable bar if your CPU and motherboard support it. This can unlock noticeably better performance in modern titles. While pricing may vary by region and availability, the Arc A770 stands out as a strong alternative to older mid-range GPUs like the RTX 3060 Ti. It's proof that premium 1440p gaming doesn't have to break the bank. Leading the charge is the MSI RTX 5070 Ti gaming trio, setting a new gold standard for ray-traced performance and smooth gameplay. Looking for cinematic immersion with a standout aesthetic? The ASRock RX 9272 XT Steel Legend White Edition delivers stunning visuals with RDNA 4 architecture and advanced ray tracing. While it commands a premium price, availability has impacted market value. A reminder to shop smart as demand for top-tier GPUs continues to surge. If you're after high performance on a tighter budget, the Intel Arc A770 Limited Edition delivers impressive 1440p gameplay without compromise, making it a solid contender for both esports and 880A experiences. From competitive titles to immersive open-world adventures, these GPUs are redefining 1440p gaming in 2025. Explore current availability through trusted retailers linked below, build your dream rig, and take your gaming to the next level.